Welcome back. I'm Nicolbw, and this is Flux Networks, or the mod, Flux Networks. I'm going to teach you how to use it and what the different parts are. So the first thing you're going to want to do in your world is find a piece of bedrock, put obsidian 2 blocks above it, and throw some redstone down in between the two. Then you're going to want to left click on the obsidian. And there you go. There is our flux dust. This can be used to make a flux block. And then you can use a flux block and obsidian to do the same thing. So you don't have to keep using the bedrock if you don't want to. We'll go ahead and make some more if I can get that in there. Go ahead and left click. And there we go. There is some flux dust. So you can use bedrock or the flux block to make the flux dust. In older versions of this mod, you would throw redstone in lava and it would turn it into flux dust that way. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make a flux plug. This is what you're going to attach to your energy creation. So this will pull power into your flux network. In order to do that, you're going to right click on it and you're going to select your network on here. If this is the first time you're doing this, you're going to need to create a new network. You can name it whatever you want. If you want a password on it, you can change it to public or private. Select whichever color you want and then create. Don't forget to select the network there and you're all set. Now you have energy being put into your network, but we don't have anywhere for this energy to go just yet. So you can either make some storage like over here, or you can just go ahead and make flux points. This is where you're going to point the energy. So machines, stuff like that. You're going to go ahead and place that down where you want it to. Right click it and go ahead and select your network that you want to use on those machines. As you see, our machine now has energy from this network. Now, if you wanted to use storage, you have 3 options. Basic storage, Herculean storage, or gargantuan storage. Each one is bigger than the last. So you'll go ahead, select which one you want, create that, and then select your network on there. Another item that you can create with this mod is a flux controller. You can also make a flux configurator. Both of these do the same thing. So we'll go ahead, right click, select the network. What you can also do is go over to this tab, the wireless charging tab, and you have options to wirelessly charge any of the items on your person. So any of the armor slots, the hotbar, in your offhand, your main hand, the curio slots, any of those you can go ahead and have automatically wirelessly charge. Make sure you hit the apply button or else it won't stay with the configuration. And don't forget to enable wireless as well. You can also do that with your flux configurator. As you see, there is wireless tab there, but something special I want to show you with this. With this wireless configurator, you can shift, right click, and it'll copy whatever configuration you have from the point or the plug that you selected. And let's go over here. We'll right click, and there we go. Now this one is just like that one. As well as if we right click, you'll see our network is already on there. We can go to the wireless. There are the things that we've selected. We can change it from here and hit apply. make sure we enable wireless that way. Make sure we enable wireless and hit apply that way. Have to hit that apply button. This is a really small mod, but it's a very fun, very important mod. It's a great way to get energy from point A to point B, as well as store some up for the future. You can also set priorities on all of these and make sure that the items that you want or the machines you want to have energy always have energy by having a priority. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, make sure you put them down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.